Okay, I was going to talk to y'all about doing IRLA conferencing in this digital teaching world that we are now in. And I feel like the best way to try to implement this would be setting up a schedule with your kids just like you did in your classroom. So say you met with a 2B group twice a week. You could go to your calendar and create, say, your 2B IRLA group. I'm going to click more options because I like to have the whole window here. Take off invite others, and you could add just your 2B kids. So if it was something that was repeating, you can select that here, repeats weekly on Thursday, or you can do your custom setup here. So if you meet with them on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So this is just an option because right here you can go ahead and you can set up that Zoom meeting with those kids. So just an idea, maybe get with the parents and see what time slots would be good. And then you could possibly try to continue doing that IRLA conferencing at home. So now after you have your calendar set up and your Zoom meeting, you would go to your Clever portal, and now we have access to the ARC bookshelf, and so do your students. So if you click the ARC bookshelf, it's going to open up all the levels, all the way to purple here are the foundational kits. That's why we have that F in front of them here. And if you scroll down, you're going to see all the colors all the way up to gold. This is the actual library where you'll see other toolkits and things inside here. So if you have a 1G reader at home, you have lots of books here for them to be able to read. So I'm going to go back, and let's say I'm meeting with my 2B group. You have your teacher toolkit manual here, and you have the student pages. Now, I suggest if you have your toolkit manual at home to use this, your hard copy, because it would be much easier when working with your students. And then here is one of the books that actually goes with the foundational kit. You can tell which ones go with the foundational kit because you can kind of see this little white emblem on here, and that would let you know that that's a foundational kit book, and it goes with some of the lessons inside here. So what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm going to open up one of my old Zoom meetings to show you how you would pull those pages up to share with your kids while you were doing your meeting. I'm just going to pull up one of the old ones I had. Start this meeting. Okay, and I'm going to maximize my window here for my meeting. And you're going to see this option down here, share screen. So you're going to click your Google screen here so you can go back to your Clever portal. So you'll click this and share, and at that point your kids can see all of this. If this little box is in your way, you can just hold it down, click and hold, and you can drag it anywhere you need to. So here I can see my ARC bookshelf, and then I have my toolkit. Now, before I even met with my kids on Zoom, I would probably have these pages ready to go. So then now you can talk and actually see the pages at the same time and be able to continue your lesson. So when you're done, say you're done looking at this, you can click stop share, and it will continue back to your meeting screen here. Okay, so remember when you are in your Zoom meeting that you can manage your participants. So say you're doing an IRLA lesson and you want your kids to be able to talk to you, you can change those settings right here. Or if you want them to be able to chat with you, remember you can click chat, the three little dots, and then change those settings there as well. Just so in case you were wanting some of those options to be a little bit different than maybe when you were teaching in a whole group setting. So this is just a quick little suggestion. If you have any questions about setting that up, just feel free to email me or call.